Hi, good morning. You have to guess where I am. It should be fairly easy though. Yeah, summit of Hurtle Hill. There's Clee, which I'm headed in the direction of. I'm hopefully doing Aberystwyth and back today. I'm feeling pretty good, so I think I will probably. Good night's sleep. 219.9 miles to go. I've done 3 already. Let's look over to Malvern. But yeah, I managed to get out of Starport alright. It's around rush hour, it's 7:30 now. I'll be set off about 7:15. Bit of trouble with the route coming out because I didn't take it exactly, but I had to stop it and now I'm back on it now, so that says .6 done, 219.9 to go. I'm expecting the battery to last till about halfway around before I charge it. I've brought this Garmin, the old one. I'm going to split the file on this. So this will record halfway and then I'll stop it and reset it and record halfway back, because I know that works. And then the Wahoo, I'm going to try and make it go all the way. Just there's one recording and one upload. Let's have a look at the cows. Yeah. So yeah, I've got my tripod and I should have enough food for the whole trip. Water will be the only issue because it's going to be warm today and it's going to rain tomorrow. But no, I'll push on. And speaking a bit, headed out towards Cleobury, Ludlow, Knighton, then new roads to Raider, B roads and lanes instead of the A road. And then it's the usual way to Aber, and then back over the Strata Florida track. So we'll see how bad the weather is for that. So that's the plan. Speaking a bit. I'm sure I heard an owl then. I'm at Neen Savage Ford. Sure that's an owl. No, I've ridden through it once before. Well, in both directions, so I'm taking the bridge today. But the last time I was here was pre-Strava. I've done just over 10 miles now. Been out for just over an hour, so 210 to go. I'm going to just press on and speak in a bit, but it'd be nice to take a picture down here because I've been down here for probably 5 years now and never taken a photo. All the previous times I used to come down, and then climbing up the hill once, it's in my logbook from 2013, I came across an injured pigeon. And I come back next week to see if I could see it, but it was gone, so it'd be died and been taken or was flown off and recovered. Saw something in there then. butterfly. So yeah, nice to be here, but I shouldn't dawdle really, so I'll speak in a bit. Cheerio. Alright, hello, I've stopped for yet another video. Up on Catherton Common. Sort of going around the back of Clee up there, around the back, and then down to Ludlow, instead of that way, which is over the main road. I'll ride and film for a bit because it'll be quicker. So I'm on 207 to go. That's what it looks like. Yeah, it's nice up here. No real wind. Nice and sunny now. Better make the most of it. Yeah, I know I'm riding some of the same roads along here that I did with Steve and Rob on Monday. Not today though, this is a different one. No, glorious sunshine. Should be a nice run over the various mountains. I suppose I could have set up for a ride by, but I think I'll just carry on from there. So yeah, I'm going to carry on. I don't know if I'll get to Wales before midday, but might be around then. I don't really know. So speaking a bit, cheerio. I think I was quite lucky to see that. Just as I was bemoaning the fact that I have to go down the hill to come back up again just for a tile, and then ride along the busy road to Knighton. Which probably isn't too bad actually. I see all those deer. So yeah, 189 miles to go. I've just come down here for an extra square, and then I'm going back up and around. See, there's a dead turn here. So Very pleased to have been able to get that on film. I think I got a few decent-ish pictures. So I'll speak in a bit. Update, 170 to go, 53 done. I'm on B Road and lanes now all the way to Raider. Going up this valley. After that I'm not entirely sure, to be honest. I'm not sure how I get off, where I get off here exactly. I only know that I go to Raider. There's be a lot of traffic, but it's coming in the opposite direction. I was sort of glad to get off the A road after up to Knighton. It was a bit rough, and then the one into Minority, which is where I've just come from, was all right. It was less busy and slightly better surfaced. I might have a bite to eat here actually. Glorious day. Heard a red kite, seen a few buzzards. The best thing I've seen so far are those deer. Saw a yellowhammer as well. Yeah, I'm gonna just have a bite to eat and then carry on. My bum is a bit sore, and my lower back might be starting to get a bit sore. And my knee was sore earlier on, but now it's got better. And I've got this clicking on the downward stroke of the offside on the bike, so maybe the pedal bearing's going, because I've got to be over 10,000 miles now. I don't know if you heard that tweet 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 just then, but that was goldfinches. That's where I've come down from up there. I don't know what that is. That's something. Yeah, you can hear it, can't you? Pulling here. Ow! I can just stand up then. Yeah, so stop here, have a little bit to eat, and I'll speak in a bit. Cheerio. I've done 53, 10 hours speed. That's the climbing stats. So, enjoying it now. I think it can only get better, unless something bad happens. No real idiots yet. Just fast traffic on the A roads. So, but still, that's all new squares, and all this is. You can see the absence of the virtual squares, and back there is completed squares. So, speak in a bit. Cheerio. Right, I've just stopped up here to capture the splendid isolation of where I am. On this, I'm still on the same B road as when I did the previous video. some more cars coming, but they've all gone in the opposite direction, apart from one which overtook me, a Royal Mail van which came down past me, turned round and then overtook, and then another one which I saw going ahead of me. There's a big descent coming up. It's great that you can see it like that. I think that's down to the river, the main A road, which I go on for a bit before I go across on the lanes, and then it's more straight over the mountain towards Raider. So that's not a pigeon. Yeah, got him. Lost him, got him. Right, I'm gonna stop here and I'll have a bite to eat to see me over the other bit. Have a little wander as well, because a bit sore, but pleased with how I'm going. I should be out of Aberystwyth and on my way back before nightfall. It's just a pity that it's going to rain and the off-road section. It's in the back of my mind at the moment. Alright, just a quick video. I'm on the surprise gravel road. I thought I was doing tarmac all the way to Abbeycombe here, or whatever it's called. It's just down there, I think. Yeah, I just saw it. If you zoom in, and then out, and the name just disappears. So it's in that direction. There's another track. I can't see if that's paved or not. I'm going to keep going along here, but I don't think it's public. I think it's private track. So yeah, but it's been nice. I think I've done the worst of it uphill. I'm going to carry on. You can see him down there where the cows are. Right. Oh, I came down off those mountains along the main road for a bit, and then popped into this bit, and I thought I nearly missed it because I didn't recognise it as a proper turning, but it is obviously, so I'll push on and try and get to the tarmac and speak in a bit. Cheerio. Right, I've made it back to the road. I'm gonna have to check the map when I get home at some point, see what happened there. There's no evidence, no signage to suggest that it was a bridle way that I did. Anyway, I'm on the main road now, and it climbs right straight up out of this valley, so that's good. 157 miles to go. There you are. Oh, not too big a climb. I'll just come down a climb, let the rims cool down a bit. Because that one's still warm. Oh, that one's cold now, so I tried to stand the wombat up in that bridge, but I couldn't. It's just old railway sleepers. Anyway, I'll carry on, and we'll speak in a bit. Cheerio. This is where I am at the moment. I'm at the top of the descent down into Raider. I wasn't going to stop here, but I thought I need to have something to eat. Nice sound of the wind in the trees. Just done a really good climb up, down from Abbey, come here, down the valley, and then wind turbine sort of. But that's been an excellent road. I've just have to find out where the actual tarmac meets up with the main road. I'll just zoom in because the sun is lighting up there. That's really fantastic view. The hill I've come up in the black, and then the light colours is what I'm going to do. Uh, 70 miles done, 153 to go, 9.4 average. So I'll stop in Raider and I'll eat my first pork pie probably. It's not far until the next junction, so bike's done very well. Loving the low gearing at the moment because I am feeling a bit tired. I think it's hill after hill after hill. There's a lot, and I've got the mountain road to do. That'll be a bit of a slog with the headwind because it's getting stronger as we get to the sea. I'm just sat in the Elan Valley at the moment. Turn around. Ow! You can see the reservoir. It's a bit less. Obviously than what it was during the winter. Just texted parents to let them know where I am. Feeling a bit tired actually, more than what I thought. I've done 70. I think 78 actually, 145 to go, so that's the steps. Oh, it'd be nice to just ride to the edge of the dam and back and then drive home. I shouldn't think like that, but I'm feeling a bit tired. But yeah, once I get out to Aberystwyth, I've got to get to the coast because that's the July challenge, and then fill up with water for the journey back. Overtook by one cyclist going uphill, have long gone now. But guy on a bike coming down, lots of like families mountain biking. I'm sure I saw a bloke I knew, but to look at the flybys when I get home. See all the way over there, look. Anyway, I'm going to push on now. No snow on the hills this time. Wind's got up though. I'll stop then and speak in a bit. Cheerio.